Alright, 6.821. You just sign here. Alright, and I will just sign the judge spot. Oh, dude, nice. Oh, I'll make that pair. Yeah. Yeah, I believe in you, man. Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Come on. Yes. No. Stop. God dang it. Stop. No. Dude. F art. No, that was not. That's an N. Okay. Stop. 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 Yes. Are you ready? Try not to think about how this one solve could ruin your entire average. You ready? Yeah. All right. Try not to think too hard about look ahead. 18 seconds.
Wait, what?
DNF. Hey, are you ready? All right, try not to think about your TPS too much. 8 seconds. Okay, 14.58. Are you ready? Okay, go. Go! Henry Helmuth. Henry is the Henry Helmuth anywhere? Henry Helmuth? Any of you see Henry Helmuth? Are you Henry Helmuth?
Yes.
Why didn't you say something? Okay, are you ready? Alright, just try not to think about all the pressure that is building right now on this one moment. Are you still ready? 8 seconds. 12 seconds. 15 seconds.
I already started.
18 seconds.
Hello?
21 seconds. 24 and a half. Nat Han Soraya. World record!
Whoa, whoa, what the?
Sorry, I forgot what event I was judging. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait, is that a 10 by 10? Is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait, right?
It is!
What the heck?
Alright, what was the time?
15.7.
50.71. Alright, can you just sign here?
No, it's 15.
Look, I'm the judge here. Are you the judge?
No.
I'm the judge here.
This is the
shut up. You want to fight about it? That was really slow, you noob. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I've heard this solve's really easy.
Not having. We have
8 seconds. Henry, this is actually OH. I lied. DNF. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait. Are you filming? Is this gonna go on you? Okay, I'm gonna let you off with a warning this time, but next time stop the timer with your fingertips, please. I warned him. Are you filming? Is this gonna go on you? Subscribe to Colorful Pockets. Just do it.
No, that's a bad idea.